Hello everyone. So this is the part 4 of this paper 1 variant 11 summer 2019. We are going to do question number 16 till question number 20 in this video. Okay. In the question number 16, this is the equation we have and we need to rearrange the formula to make B the subject. Okay. So for this we can say that 5 is divided over here. When it is shifted toward the left side, it will be multiplied with c, so it will be 5c, and it will be become positive plus 2a equals to 3b square. So 3 will be divided, 5c plus 2a divided by 3 equals to b square, and square root will be, when we take square root both sides, so it will be 5c plus 2a upon 3 equals to b. So now we can make the b as a subject. Now in question number 17, we have 2 points A and B. This is the line A, point having coordinates 3, 2, and this is the point B, -1, 10. And here we need to find out the midpoint. We can say that it is xy. So we need to find out the midpoint. That is, the formula for this will be add the component of x, 3 plus -1 divided by 2, and add the components of y, that is 2 plus 10 divided by 2. So 3 minus 1 will be 2, 2 upon 2 will be equals to 1, and 10 plus 2, 12, 12 divided by 2, it will be 6. So the components will be 1 and 6. Now, in the part B, we need to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. So for example, this is the perpendicular bisector and we need to find out the equation of this line. Okay, so firstly we need to find out the gradient of AB. So gradient of AB will be equals to, the formula for gradient will be y2 minus y1. So it will be 10 minus 2 upon x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 3. So 10 minus 2 will be equals to 8 minus 4. So the gradient will be minus 2. So the gradient of this line AMAB will be minus 2. And for the gradient of this line, we need to apply the condition of perpendicular, that is m1 multiplied by m2 is equals to minus 1. So for example, if we need to find out the m2 and m1 is minus 2, so we need to divide it with minus 1. So m2 will be equals to minus 1 upon minus 2, minus will be cancelled, it will be 1 upon 2. So the gradient of this line is 1 upon 2. Now, we need to find out the equation of this line. And we need a coordinate as well. And the coordinate of midpoint will be the point that is passing through this line. Because this line is a bisector, it means that this line is dividing this line into two equal parts. It means that midpoint, which we have find out, 1, 6, will be passing through this bisector. So to find out the equation of this line, y is equals to mx plus c. Firstly, we need to find out the value of constant. So we put the value of 1 and 6. 6 equals to, and it will be 1 upon 2, and the value of x will be 1 plus c. So 6 minus 1 upon 2 equals to c. We need to make the denominator same. So 12 minus 1 will be 11 upon 2. 11 upon 2 is the value of c. So now we need to find out the equation. So it will be y is equals to m, the mx plus c, and the value of m is 1 upon 2 x plus 11 upon 2. Here the denominators are same, so we can shift it toward the left side. It will be multiplied with y. So the final equation will be 2y equals to x plus 11. Okay. Now in question number 18, James play for his local football team. The probability that James play in the next match is 0.7. Okay, so it means that the probability that James play will be 0.7. If James play in the match, the probability of his team winning is 0.8. It is written over here already. And if James does not play in the team, the probability of his team winning is 0.6. Obviously, the sum of probability will be 1. So 1 minus 0.7 will be equals to 0.3. 1 minus 0.8 will be equals to 0.2, and 1 minus 0.6 will be equals to 0.4. Okay, now calculate the probability that James team win their matches. Okay, there are two possibilities that if James play, the probability is 0.7, Tim's win 0.8. So this is the first condition, 0.7 multiplied by 0.8 plus, and the second condition is if James does not play, that is 0.3, and the team wins. So 0.3 multiplied by 0.6. So 0.7 multiplied by 0.8 will be equals to 0.56, and 0.3 multiplied by 0.6 will be equals to 0.18, and the final answer will be 0.74. Okay, now question number 19. The diagram shows the triangle ABC. D is a point on AC. This is the point D, such that the angle BDC, this angle is equals to ABC. It means that it is given that BDC is equals to ABC. These two angles are same. Explain why triangle BDC is similar to ABC. BDC is similar to ABC. Okay, here it is talking about few angles. It means that we know the property of similarity, that if three angles are same of a triangle, then these triangle will be similar. So we are going to use this property for this. So we can say that the angle BDC is equals to angle ABC. BDC is equals to angle ABC. BDC, this triangle, this angle, and ABC, this angle are same. It is already given. Okay. Now, we can also say that the triangle, the angle BCA, and the angle BCD, this angle is common in both the triangles. So we can say that the angle BCA is equal to the angle BCD. What does it mean? These two angles are same because these two angles are common. Okay, so if two angles are same, and if we subtract it from 180 to get the third angle, then the third angle will also same. So we can say that the triangle ABC is similar to the triangle DBC. Okay, now come to the part B. Calculate AB. These are the parameters. AC is equals to 10. AC is equals to 10. BC is equals to 8. And BD is equals to 6. Okay. So the property of similarity is that the ratio of the length of the similar shapes will be equal. So we can say that BC upon AC, this length BC upon AC, the ratio of these two lengths will be equals to BD upon AB. This is BD and this is AB. The ratio of these two lengths will be similar to BC upon AC. And the value of BC will be 8, AC will be 10, BD will be 6, and AB. And to find out AB, okay, I'm doing this part here, part B. And to find out AB, we need to substitute, we need to put this value, we need to make AB as a subject. So 6 multiplied by 10 upon 8, it will be equals to 15 upon 2. So this is the part 2. The value is 15 upon 2. Okay, now in question number 20, on the Venn diagram, shade the region represented by B complement and A. B complement, that means that A is not involved. It means that this part B is not involved. Okay, and this will be common with A. B complement means except B, all of the parties involved except B, and to intersect with the A, only this part will be common. So this region will be shaded. Now in the part 2, part B, here is some information. 100 people who visit a cafe. Okay, 32 drink coffee, 40 drink tea, 50 eat a pastry. Here you can see that 18 drinks coffee and eat a pastry. It means that 18 are the people who are common for both pastry and coffee. So we can write 18 here. And 21 drink tea and eat a pastry. Tea, pastry common is 21. Okay. So, and here you can see that total 32 people drink coffee. It means that these 18 will also be involved. So if we subtract 32 minus 18, 32 minus 18, so it will be equals to 14. So it means that only 14 people are the only one who only drink coffee. Okay, now for the tea, 40 drinks tea. In this 40, these 21 is also involved because these 21 people are also drinking a tea. So for the tea, we need to subtract 21, 40 minus 21, and it will be equals to 19. So the 19 are only people who drink tea only. Okay. Now, next point is 50 eat a pastry. In this 50, 21 and 18 is also involved. So we need to subtract 50 minus 21 minus 18. So it will be equals to 11. So the 11 people are only who eat pastry. Now, find T union P union C. Okay, we need to find out this and then complement. Firstly, before complement, it means that we need all these numbers. Okay, but for the complement, we need to subtract it from these 100 peoples. So it will be 100 minus 19 minus 21 minus 11 minus 18 minus 14. After subtracting all these numbers from 100, we will get an answer that will be 17. Okay, so 17 will be the final answer. Okay, so this is the end of question number 20, and the remaining question will be solved in the next video, and this paper will be finished.